Welcome to Discover Agriculture. In today's episode, we're digging into the fascinating world of potato farming. Potatoes, Solanum tuberosum, are one of the most widely grown and consumed vegetables globally, valued for their versatility and nutritional benefits. Whether you're an experienced farmer or a gardening enthusiast, this step-by-step video will help you cultivate a successful potato crop. Let's get started on the journey to growing your own delicious and nutritious potatoes. Potatoes come in numerous varieties, each suited to different climates and culinary uses. Choose a variety that matches your growing conditions and desired end use. Popular types include Russet, Yukon Gold, and Red Pontiac. Ensure you source certified disease-free seed potatoes from a reputable supplier. Potatoes thrive in well-drained, fertile soils with a pH of 5 to 7. Select a site with full sun exposure and good air circulation. Prepare the soil by tilling to a depth of 20 to 30 centimeters, removing any weeds and debris. Incorporate organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, to enhance soil fertility and structure. Cut large seed potatoes into smaller pieces, each with at least 1 or 2 eyes sprouts. Allow the cut pieces to air dry for a day or two to form a protective callus over the cut surface, reducing the risk of rot and disease. Plant the seed potato pieces 10 to 15 centimeters deep and 30 centimeters apart in rows spaced. Ensure the eyes are facing upward. Cover the seed pieces with soil and water them thoroughly. In colder climates, you can start potatoes indoors and transplant them after the last frost. As the potato plants grow, mound soil around the stems to cover the lower leaves. This process, called hilling, supports the plants, prevents the formation of green potatoes, and encourages tuber development. Hill the plants every few weeks, ensuring the tubers are well covered. Potatoes require consistent moisture, especially during tuber formation. Water the plants deeply and regularly, ensuring the soil remains evenly moist but not waterlogged. Avoid overhead watering, as wet foliage can promote diseases. Drip irrigation is an effective method to maintain proper moisture levels. Keep the potato beds free of weeds, which can compete for nutrients and water. Use shallow cultivation or mulching to suppress weed growth. Be careful not to disturb the shallow roots of the potato plants while weeding. Apply a balanced fertilizer before planting to ensure the soil has adequate nutrients. Side dress with additional fertilizer, particularly phosphorus and potassium, during the growing season to promote healthy tuber development. Avoid excessive nitrogen, as it can lead to lush foliage with few tubers. Potatoes are ready for harvest when the foliage turns yellow and dies back. Carefully dig up the tubers using a garden fork or spade. Handle the potatoes gently to avoid bruising. For new potatoes, harvest a few weeks after the plants flower, while for mature storage potatoes, wait until the vines have completely died back. Potato farming is a rewarding endeavor that offers both delicious and nutritious rewards. By following these steps, you can grow healthy, robust potatoes and enjoy a bountiful harvest. Thank you for watching Discover Agriculture. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more farming tips and tutorials. Happy farming!